what we are going to do next, what we are going to do next is to use ChatGPT with LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn again is a beautiful platform through which you can write some articles. Okay, and LinkedIn articles, many times if you have done proper, I mean you are using some good quality keywords, LinkedIn articles actually show up on the front page of Google. Just like Quora, LinkedIn articles is a great way to be visible directly on Google. Okay, without doing any SEO, without learning all the, without creating your own blog, without creating your own, without creating your own website, without buying any domain. There are two platforms, Quora and LinkedIn, where you can write articles and you can actually um, get visibility. Got it? So let's explore this LinkedIn. Okay, if you go to LinkedIn, create your free profile, and after that you can see at the top there are options to upload a photo, video, audio event, or write an article. So I suggest, instead of directly just posting, write an article, because article will give you better SEO. Okay, so search, I mean, your profile, and just like how you write a blog, there is an option to write a headline. Okay, and then a cover photo of the, just like a blog. Okay, that header photo, and then you can actually type the complete article. It is clear. So use this, and in this article you can add multiple photos as well, or you can use, or you can add some links. Okay, right? So article, suppose if I write headline, okay, top 3, yeah, top 5, okay, online tools are used to, top 5 online tools are used to automate my online business, which generate rupees 5 lakh every month in god mode. Okay, is this looking interesting? Top 5 online tools I use to automate my online business, which generate rupees 5 lakh every month in god mode. Interesting title, correct? Right? And now we can add a cover photo. In the cover photo, you can see the dimension 1280 into 720. Okay, you can just go to Canva. Okay, go to Canva and design, and 1280720, create a design, custom design. Okay, 1280720, create a new design. Are you getting this? Is this looking simple? Yes. Skip tour.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. And now from here, you can use any of these, and let's search online tools here. Okay, just to make it more attractive. Okay, and then from here I can go to element and can just search webinar, graphic, just giving you proper demo. That's why I'm doing all these things in front of you. Okay, okay, so simply, I mean, it's all your creativity. Just take some element from Canva, that's it. 5 online tools, same, let's copy from here and paste it here, center. I hope everybody knows how to use Canva. Okay, now let's download this, not as before, but PNG, and download. And then let's go to LinkedIn. Okay, and just uploaded a photo. Looks good. Top 5 online tools I use to automate my online business, which generate rupees 5 lakh every month in God mode. Clear? And now here I can write, okay, here are top 5 online tools I use to build my 5. Okay, yeah, you can say I am building 5 online businesses together without my involvement. Okay, these are, okay, these are number 1, network marketing, affiliate marketing, consulting, YouTube, and then finally coaching. Okay, so here are top 5 tools I use to build my 5 to here are top 5 top online tools I use to put my businesses in God mode. Okay, so number 1, I can call like Kajabi. Okay, so this tool Kajabi. Now I want to write a brief intro about Kajabi. So what I can do is I can go to ChatGPT and I can just type, what is Kajabi? Explain in 3-4 lines. Simple. Okay, not proper explanation, only short 3-4 line explanation. Kajabi is a cloud-based platform for creating online selling. This. So whatever is the proper information about the tool, can get it from ChatGPT. Simple. Okay, because we don't want a lengthy explanation. Correct? Are you getting it? And then paste. And then here I can type try Kajabi free for 30 days. Correct? And then I can click here, select, click here. Okay, use link. Okay. This is my affiliate link. Click below. Okay, clear? So same way I can just now here I can type second webinar jam. Okay, and then again I go to ChatGPT and I can ask the same question. I did this. What is webinar jam? Explaining 3-4 lines. So now it is going to explain us very simple explanation, cloud-based webinar platform. Okay. Just type wow if you're, I mean, there's so many affiliate marketers who are using this. Okay, even you as a DNA Platinum member, okay, you, those who are using Webinar Jam and Ever and Kajabi, okay, you can use this, write a small article, and here you can actually promote webinar. I mean, Kajabi, very good keyword. Webinar Jam is a keyword. Okay, same way network marketing. When you're typing about network marketing, then at the end you can say, want to know more about my network marketing business. Okay, and here using this you can promote your webinar link as well. Try webinar jam at just $1 for 30 days. Click below. Okay, and here I'm adding a link. Here, So this way I can write more and more. Okay, I mean, I can promote Kajabi, Webinar Jam, then StreamYard, then other things. Okay, so is this clear? Top 5 online tools. So right now I'm publishing this, then later on I will edit after this meeting so that, I mean, we can save our time. And here I type publish and wrote, here I can say wrote an article about my top 5 online tools, online business tools. Must read. So this article is going to be published on my profile as well. Okay. So if you go to my profile, okay, this is my article, okay, and I can get the link of this article, and I'm sharing the same with all of you in the chat box. Just click on this link and just see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Looking good? Just share your experience in the chat box. A proper article you can write using ChatGPT, and also powerful article feature of LinkedIn. Correct. And online business, automation, Kajabi, Webinar Jam, each and every word, network marketing, affiliate marketing, each and every word is actually a keyword. And this, after some time, you know, there are so many articles on LinkedIn which can actually go viral. And they can actually be, I mean, you can see these articles if somebody search on Google. After some time, a proper SEO, it happens automatically. Okay. And then this may list on the first page of Google as well if this becomes little, you can say, popular. Clear? And people can put their comment as well on this particular post, on this particular article. If you are logged in with LinkedIn, you can, if you click on this, you know, we already logged in. Okay, so you can put your comment as well. Got it? A proper article. So Quora and LinkedIn, create, I suggest you to answer one question on Quora and write one article on LinkedIn, and this way you can promote your links as well. Like here at the end, I can say, you want to know, curious about my online business, how I make 5 lakh, click here, and at the end you can share the link to invite the readers into your webinar, your next live webinar. Okay, so can you do this? Is this are you finding this super easy? I just use Canva to draw, to create this image. I mean, step by step, whatever I was supposed to do, I have done it in front of you. That's why it took some time. But just see, if I can do it so quickly, you can also do it. Okay. Yes. So this is how you can use ChatGPT and LinkedIn to create articles which can be listed on Google, and this can actually give you this can actually generate leads for you. But this will work only if you have a very solid backend system. I repeat, we are right now we are creating content and using power of AI, but there should be a proper irresistible lead magnet. If you don't have this proper backend system, if you don't have a landing page, you don't have a webinar, if you in the backend, if you don't have invitation, you are not inviting these people to book a one-to-one meeting with you or attend your webinar, in that case, finally what happens? I mean, you are just creating content, but you're not able to capture leads. You first have to capture leads of the interested people as well. So create content, create article on LinkedIn, give a call to action to go to your webinar with a very irresistible hook, and then finally this is how you are going to capture leads of interested people. Clear? So have this very solid backend system as well. Only then this is going to give you some meaningful results. Got it? So this is how you can use ChatGPT and LinkedIn together. Did you find this useful? Yes. So now I am going to give you option to unmute. You can unmute and you can ask your questions. So use these two platforms, Quora and LinkedIn. Yes. If you're not finding YouTube very comfortable, I understand some of you may not find it comfortable. At least do this. Right. Okay, so next 15 minutes, let's do a discussion. If you have any question, any experience to share. Yes.
Sorry, Tarun. I was not able to follow Terry here.
Yes,
regarding the LinkedIn publishing. Where did you click? I mean, where did you start the LinkedIn publishing? Because I'm trying to find it.
So once I wrote the complete article, like let's do from the beginning. LinkedIn, okay? After
So
this,
start post. Okay. Yeah.
instead of
Write article.
photo, video, write article.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
not a regular
Thank
post.
you.
Write
I
article.
see.
Once you write the complete article, then there's an option to click on publish. This is the publish button.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
So how are you feeling, Teriji? Can you do it?
Honestly, with regards, I'm guilty with the YouTube because I still don't know if I'll in the YouTube. I still don't know if I'm going to the route of sharing the information through English language or to my native language, which is Filipino. So, but I'm more comfortable in writing than the video. So, I haven't tried the ChatGPT yet. So, when I see the ChatGPT that you demonstrated, it's really helpful. And actually, earlier I'm thinking if you can also use the ChatGPT as your script if you're going to do a YouTube video. So, having that one ChatGPT article or answer, you can do many variation of posts like in YouTube, like that what you have shown in the LinkedIn, creating publishing an article. Also in Quora. I haven't tried the Quora because it's new to me, the Quora. So I'll deep dive with the Quora because we have to research. Sometimes as a creator, we have to really research what we are doing because I'm not really confident with regards to network marketing. As an expert. So
I suggest platforms like YouTube, platforms like Quora. These two here in these two YouTube and Quora and also LinkedIn. Here in these platforms, you will not find your relatives and friends connected with you. Correct. This is a totally professional platforms. On YouTube, play the game of keyword that is network marketing. Directly create content related to network marketing. Similarly on LinkedIn, similarly on Quora, we want to get attention of people who are searching for network marketing. Okay, who are searching for your company. Like doubt, okay, is Amway legal? Is Amway still in India? Like all these questions. So answer these questions and then invite these people to your meeting because I mean you must have a CTA, proper CTA for that. Correct. So if you search on Quora, your company name, you will find so many questions which are, where somebody is asking if this is legal or not. Is network marketing legal? What is the future of network marketing? Is network marketing good for students? Is network marketing good for female? So answer these questions. And all these questions, answers you will get from ChatGPT. That's a simple thing. Okay. But you should have a call to action backend system as well. If you don't have a backend system, if you're not confident about your backend system, it will not work.
Okay.
So in our case, we are using automated webinar. Okay, using webinar jam. And if you are writing article on LinkedIn, you can even, I can see there is option of writing article on Facebook as well. So you can go to Facebook, your profile, not page, normal profile. This is my user profile, okay, personal profile. And here is there's option of writing an article, live video, or photo or video. So okay, click on article, and here again same cover photo, and the title as the same you're writing on LinkedIn, same you can copy and paste and publish on Facebook as well, because all this information will go on internet, and finally, this can give a boost on to SEO as well, and this can be viewed on Google, okay, in the search bar, okay. So the article option is available on Facebook as well. So there is no need to write the same thing again and again. The same question, 5 online tools. So you give this answer to Quora as well. Best online tools for online business. So you can see here are top 5 online tools I use. Okay.